2025 Rivian R1T starting at $71,700. If your taste in pickup trucks runs towards the strong, silent type, you'll find the Rivian R1T a delicious confection. Its rugged, casual interior splits the difference between work and play. Its clever cross-truck tunnel offers a fair amount of out-of-sight lockable storage, and its standard all-wheel drive and air suspension provide reasonable off-road ability. While it looks a little different, the 2025 R1T features a collection of under-the-skin hardware updates aimed at improving nearly every performance metric. A new electrical architecture reduces weight by excising a large amount of wiring, and all 3 batteries have been revised. Maximum horsepower increases to 1,025, 190 more than the outgoing version, enough to propel the already borderline crazy quad motor version to 60 miles per hour in a claimed less than 2.5 seconds. That puts it in league and slightly ahead of some serious dedicated sports cars like the Porsche 911 GT3. But the R1T is a huge pickup, and, blazing acceleration aside, its usable bed space, room for 5 inside, up to 420-mile range, and max 220 kilowatt DC fast charging capability shore up its case as a viable and versatile vehicle with few caveats. Though the ranks are growing, we see you Ford F-150 Lightning and Chevrolet Silverado EV. The Rivian R1T beat them both to market, and its multifaceted personality makes it a CD favorite worthy of its place on our 2024 Editor's Choice list.